Hi there, welcome to a new yoga flow. This yoga flow is for your evening to have a better sleep. All you need yourself, yoga mat, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. Having a wall support will be an advantage. Firstly, we'll sit right next to a normal wall. Sit up straight like water is falling from the back. Your legs could be in any position, hands over the knees, close your eyes and breathe. Center yourself with your breathing pattern. Just focus on your inhalations and exhalations. Breathe. Take up to 10 rounds of aware breath. And once you feel centered, you can start making some gentle movements and open your eyes. Now, from here, take your hands in front of the body and take them above the head. Now start raising one hand while bringing the other down and keep changing that. Now hands comes to cactus form. Bring them together down and up, and you hold in between for as long as you can. Now from here, take your hands over the shoulder and start rotating your shoulder from forward to back. Three to 5 rounds. And then other way from back to forward. Breathe nicely. And release your hands. Now take the palm support, left palm, extend the right hand over the head. Extend, release, and breathe. Keep your sit bones grounded over the yoga mat. Change your side, bring the right palm down, and lengthen your left side of the body. Inhale, come up. Take both the hands right above your head. Bring the palms together. Bring the hands to the chest. Inhale, take them above your head. Exhale to the chest. And inhale again. Exhale to the chest. And hold and breathe. Then release your hands. Now take the hands over the head and grab the elbows. Hold it up there. You're trying to relax your nervous system. Now change your palm stance and change the elbow sides and hold up again. Let your shoulder blades, shoulder, upper arm feel the nice stretch. And then relax and release. Now hug yourself. Place the right elbow over the left. Breathe. Exhale, release. Now again inhale, and this time left elbow over the right one. Breathe nicely. And then exhale and release. Now from here, come on your knees and sit up straight in Vajrasana. Hips over heels, knees together, hands over the knees. Breathe. Breathe nicely. And hold. This will help you to digest your food even better. And then eventually exhale and extend your both the legs right in front of your body. Sit up straight in Dandasana. Keep your spine neutral, legs active, feet active. Breathe. And now fold the right knee. Bring the right foot next to left thigh. Inhale, hands goes up. Exhale into Janu Sheshasana. Place your hands wherever you reach, in the shin bone, at the knee, or wherever you can, or grab the feet. Get into a little more deeper fold without rounding the spine. And then exhale, hands goes up, inhale, and exhale, release. Now change your side, fold the left knee. Inhale, hands goes up, and exhale into forward fold. Hold it up there, again reach wherever, how far you can go. And grab the toe if you can without rounding the spine. Breathe, exhale, and then inhale, raise your hands, and exhale, release. Now from here, inhale both the hands together. Exhale into Paschimottanasana, seated forward fold. Again, try to grab the big toe or reach wherever you can. Breathe nicely. And then inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale, release. Now fold the right knee. Bring the left feet next to the right hip. Place your right palm to the side and twist towards the right side of the spine. Hold up there and breathe while looking at the back or at the right thumb. Breathe. And then exhale, first look forward and release the pose. Change your side, take the right foot down, fold the left knee, place your left palm next to the left thigh. Use right hand support and twist to the left side of the body. Breathe. And then eventually inhale, look forward and release. Now here, bring more focus on your hips. Place your left feet over the right knee. Use your left arm to align and push it down and up. In the hip warm up, exhale, change your side. Bring the right feet over the left knee. Breathe. Exhale. And now take wall support, or you can sit however you want. Bring both the feet together and start practicing Baddha Konasana. Flip up your legs to the sides with comfort and ease. Hold it up there. Very gently move your knees up and down. At this point, I recommend you to take the wall support and hold the Baddha Konasana. Close your eyes, hands over the knees or bring together over the feet. Bring the feet close to the groin and relax and breathe. Stretch really well. You will feel a nice deep stretch. And you just focus on your breathing and let your body do the work for you. And continue breathing. Feel the inhale and exhale by belly coming out and in. You can practice this while lying down on the bed or over the couch and just rest like that. Or if you're sitting over the yoga mat and practicing this, then it's the right time to sit in Baddha Konasana for as long as you want and then end the practice and relax wherever you want. I hope after this flow you feel more relaxed and calm in your nervous system and stress stays away from you. Start making some gentle movements if you haven't already and take a couple of more rounds of breath before you actually open your eyes if you have to end the practice. Feel the inhalation and exhalations. Eventually rub your palms, gather the energy, place the palms over your cheek and face, and then eventually look at the palms and end the practice. I hope you had a good time practicing with me and you choose to practice this more often in your evenings to have a better sleep. If you have liked anything about this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Like I always say, keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.